Hi there, this is the second video in the first chapter of Making China Modern called Age of Glory. We left off at the Temple of Heaven, so I'm going to restart the PowerPoint and go and continue to go through. There's a bureaucracy in China during the Qing that was based on clear rules, and the people that worked in the bureaucracy were selected by an examination system. There were over 1,000 exam sites and hundreds of thousands of examiners, supervisors, and security. The exams were not a mechanism for social mobility, and they were a limited circulation of elites from gentry, military, and merchants. Competition was very high. There were 3 million candidates by 1900. Curriculum was continuously adapted and included statecraft as well as the Confucian classics. The military was under a central command, unlike feudal Europe at that time. And this is a picture of applicants waiting to see their exam results. Officials were salaried, but inadequately, forcing kickbacks, hidden payments, irregular fees, etc. There's a strong household demand for education, and the literacy rate was better than Europe, this despite the difficulty of learning Chinese characters. There was widespread use of accounting and a high level of numeracy. Chinese have always been very good at math. The Qing state systematically used violence, symbolized by jiao, to exterminate those who disagreed with the central government. Rebels were eliminated, officially harshly punished for criticizing the emperor. Corruption was a huge concern. The Manchus from northeast China ruled China from 1644 to the end of the Qing dynasty in 1911. They formed a dynasty based on the Chinese imperial system where the emperor rules all under heaven. And those two Chinese characters are Tian Xia, which means everything under heaven. There was a separate system for Tibetans, Manchus, and Mongols. The early Qing was incredibly stable. The Kangxi and Qianlong emperors each ruled for 60 years, from 1654 to 1799. They created a thing called the Grand Council, a small committee on the top, which was on the top of the regular bureaucracy. Here's a picture of the Emperor Kangxi, which ruled from 1654 to 1722. And then the Qianlong Emperor ruled from 1711 to 1799. Unbelievable. There were three reasons for rapid growth: population growth, urban growth, and infrastructure development. The domestic economy was fully commercialized, even with some industrialization. And they emphasized the natural law of market economy. So I'm going to stop here with part 2, and we'll take it